Hello guys, I'm Sheikh Anisur Rahman. Today I'm going to show you this Lenovo laptop review. So let's get started. As you can see here, Lenovo, this model number, I think model name 881 UT Lenovo IdeaThinkPad. This is a Ryzen processor. As you can see here, Ryzen 5, Radeon Vega graphics 11 and 1 TB hard disk, 8 GB RAM. This look very thin, as you can see here. IPS panel. First of all, I check properties. As you can see here, Ryzen 5 3500U Radeon Vega mobile graphics GFX 2.10 GHz and 8 GB RAM DDR4. This laptop perfect for gamer and video editor. It costs about 38,000 and ready to Windows 10. And this setting is AMD Radeon settings for video editing and gaming, and also you can use some architecture software just like 3DX Maya and Autodesk, etc. With core clock 1201 MHz and 32-bit support and DDR4 support in RAM, and this Vega graphics 2 GB, Adrenal Radeon Software Edition and Radeon Software version 18.41.40 and 0.04. Already I unboxing this laptop, so I'm sorry for
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। আর তোমার বুলেট নিয়ে হবে। তাহলে কি আছে, তা আগে বলো তো গেলাম বুলেট নিয়ে। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, দেখো যে হবে ঠিক না। কোথায় আছি, আছো কোথায়? সেই ঘোড়াঘাটাতে। ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। না, এটা বলেছি বেগম।
For that, so this is a small review for this laptop. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you visit first time my YouTube channel, then please make sure subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification. And thanks for watching.
Thank you.